be okay with failing. Like, don't be okay with failing twice at the same thing, but be okay with failing and be graceful to yourself and be gracious to yourself. Okay? Because you're not going to get it at first. You're just not. There's no way that law school prepares you for that. Maybe you've had a lot of experience working in a legal firm beforehand, but I really doubt that you've had the type of experience that you're gonna have here, where you're making the strategy calls. Yes, your writing could be great. You could be the best legal writer in your class. I'm not, but if that's you, great. But even then, there's aspects to this internship that you've never practiced before, and that's okay.
Just don't be afraid to try something new. That's what the summer is for. They know we've never done this before, and they're not going to hold it against you if you do something wrong. So just don't be afraid to take on a new assignment. A lot of times the attorneys are going to say, who wants to do this? You can't shy away from it because you've never done it. And none of the other summers have ever done it before either. So just take these opportunities, because this is the start of your career. And the sooner you learn these things, the sooner you're going to fix your bad habits, and the sooner you're going to feel confident in the things that you do.
JB has a great mentorship program for that reason. They put you, it's trial by fire. They put you in there, they expect you to give it your best and do as much as you can with the cup of water that you have, and then they come out with a fire extinguisher and help you out.
On my first day, the attorneys all told me to just be a sponge, and I think that's really the best advice for all summer associates. Coming in, you don't learn so much in law school, and there's so much that can be learned from the attorneys here. And so I think just knowing that and really listening to everything that they say is the best way to get the most out of the summer.